So I went to a YouTube shopping creator event last week. It was the first event that I have ever been invited to from YouTube after almost 2.5 years on the platform as a creator. And I walked away with this massive gift bag. Actually, I should say gift bags because one was on top of the other. So this Hulkin right here, can't even fit it into the frame. This was on the bottom, and then this adorable croc tote was on top of it. It fills up the entire frame. I can't even get it. You can see just how massive it is. And yes, there is some skincare and some makeup in these bags that I'm planning on showing you, but there's also quite a few things in there that I didn't expect to get. Take a sip of my tea first. So since this is a makeup channel, I have to start with my favorite skincare and makeup that I got in this bag. First off is Fenty, and they gave me a bunch of their gloss bombs right here. So this one is the Glossy Posse. It's the 3-piece lip luminizer set. I'm just gonna open these. And the idea behind the 3 shades in here, this is what Gina told me. She was working in the Fenty booth. She was so nice. Shout out to Gina and Gina. It was 2 Ginas working together, which is so funny because I actually have a very good friend named Gina who's also a freelance esthetician and makeup artist. Hi to all 3 of the Ginas. But anyway, the idea behind this is that whenever you dip the wand into the component, you'll get a different gloss each time. And I thought that was so genius. So this comes in a little set. This would also be perfect as a holiday set, but let's be honest, this is going straight into my kit because they actually gave me another one that I don't have right now because it's actually in my kit because I used it on a shoot last week. I literally did a shoot the day after I went to this event, and I used one of the glosses for one of the looks that I did because I had to. It was like blue sparkly clear gloss. Oh, so pretty. Very 90s. I'm so into the 90s coming back. I also got 2 lip liners. This is the Traced Out lip liner. I have this shade here, which is Riri Love. How pretty is that? That's just like a gorgeous kind of pinky mauve-y. That's very Rihanna. I love it. Straight into the kit. Ooh, this one's pretty. Bordeaux. Like Bordeaux. Love. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Right there up on top. It's like the perfect vampy lip. Perfect for fall. Perfect for an ombre lip. And I have another gloss bomb right here. This is Rose Amber. I love the packaging of this brand. I think it's so chic. I also love it when you lay it down, it doesn't roll because it has the flat edge here. It's really nice for flat lays. If I'm doing any pictures of my kit or anything like that, you can just see the logo right there and you don't have to worry about it rolling around. Ooh, oh my God, look at that. This is almost like a deeper version of Boy by Chanel. I don't know if any of you know that. It's one of their Rouge Coco bombs. I think it's the Flash Bomb, but this is almost like a deeper version of Boy. And then this with Bordeaux. Look at that. Oh. All I know is that all of this Fenty is going straight into my kit. Next up, we have this Precision collection. This is from BK Beauty. I have been wanting to try this brand for so long. I also really love Nikki LaRose. She's a makeup artist here on YouTube. She was also Susan Yara's makeup artist, and she has a huge following for a good reason. She's so great and the consummate pro. I would love to work with her or even just meet her or collaborate with her at some point. That would be so great. But I know she's done, I think, a couple collaborations with BK Beauty. It seems like they're driven both to consumers and to artists, and I think that's really tricky to do, but it seems like they've got it figured out. So I'm really excited to try these. I also got a few of these products from the brand, I think how you say it is Sacheu. I know that the owner has gone really viral. I will put her video right up here, but it's for her lip liner stains. I haven't tried these yet. I'm really, really excited to try them. And I have obviously heard about it. I've seen the videos. I just haven't gotten around to like getting this product and actually trying it. If any of you have tried it, please let me know in the comments. Should I do a video on this product just to kind of see like how it wears and what it's like and if it's easy to apply? The big question I have is that I overdraw on one side because my lips are uneven on the top. My one side is lower than the other side. So I wonder if it'll be weird if I use a liquid lip liner to do that as opposed to a pencil, if it's easier to fake that illusion. Like I said, if you have tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now that's pretty much it as far as makeup, but I did get some really awesome skincare, one of which is from the brand Innisfree. This is a Korean beauty brand. Honestly, y'all, everybody knows Korean skincare is pretty much where it's at, right? I have the Innisfree finishing powder in my kit and I really, really love it. It is so finely milled. It's absolutely beautiful, and I just use it at the very end of makeup to kind of give that soft blur effect. If I'm not using any of my luminous powders or my highlighters to create the soft focus, I'm using the Innisfree powder. I just love it. This is Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Cream. cream and retinol green tea firming serum. So it's pretty much like probably a night set, or you could probably use this during the day as well. But this is definitely going into the queue of skincare because this is a really beautiful brand. I also received a few things from Ole Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright Eye Cream, a brightening under eye cream. Like, can you really go wrong? Ole Henriksen is actually one of the brands when I first started getting really serious about skincare, not using like drugstore. This is also about 15 years ago. Okay. So drugstore skincare has come a long way and there are a lot of really great options now. 15 years ago, there were not as many good options. So I went to Sephora when I was getting really serious about taking care of my skin, and what I'd been using in my 20s just wasn't working anymore. And Ole Henriksen was one of the first brands that I actually invested in, and it was game changing for me. So I have a little soft spot in my heart for Ole Henriksen. Very excited about this Banana Bright Eye Cream. I just love a brightening eye cream. But the thing I really want to talk about is this lovely little lip balm that they gifted me. I am a sucker for a really nice lip balm. And it's mostly because I can't wear certain products on my lips because my lips will react and they'll get almost sandpapery. It's very weird. If a lip balm is too emollient, too thick, if it has mineral oil or petroleum in it, or even sometimes a fragrance, and yes, it is kind of bougie, but it's nice to invest in a little something for yourself. Speaking of bougie lip balm, the one that I have in my purse at the moment is actually from Dr. Idris. I believe it's called Barrier Based. So let me tell you how excited I was when I saw that they gifted me something from Dr. Idris. This is the Major Fade Active Seal Vitamin C Gel Moisturizer, all types of discoloration, which is right up my alley. I have a little bit of sunspot over here. You can't really see it. It's very, very faint, but I know so many people suffer with discoloration or sunspots or melasma. The thing I love about Dr. Idris is that she makes this kind of skincare really accessible and affordable. I've heard a lot of really good things about people who use her skincare who have those types of problems, and they say that it really helps. So, and I watched so much of her content. If you haven't, you should check her out because she is one of the best. Another thing that they gifted us were these adorable sets. Fenty spoiled us, let me tell you. This is the Little Butter Drops Fenty Skin. So this is the Naughty Nutmeg and Warm Cinnamon. I'm not sure what these are. Oh wait, intensely hydrates skin for an instant glossy sheen. Enriched with conditioning oils and butters, features a new delicious scent, warm cinnamon scent infused with a soft golden shimmer. So this is body sheen, y'all, okay? I was thinking about gifting this to someone. I think I'm gonna gift it to myself because that sounds delicious and it sounds perfect for holiday parties. It sounds perfect for my brides. So I may have to depot some of it, put it into my kit, and then save the rest for myself because yes. Fenty also gifted a little hair set right here. It is a reparative leave-in conditioner spray and then a heat protectant. So these cute little sets right here, Fenty, you spoiled us. Y'all, the holiday sets aren't done, okay? So we have two Laneige sets. I love this brand. This brand is in my kit forever. The lip sleeping mask will forever be in my kit because it is just the best lip balm on the market. I told you I love bougie lip balm, okay? The only reason I don't carry it with me is because it's in a pot and you have to put your finger in it. And when I'm on the go, I don't want to be putting my finger on my lips ever. But let me tell you, I do have one at my bedside table and I have one in my kit. But the reason I wanted to highlight these holiday sets is not because I'm going to say, oh, you should click my link and then buy a bunch for your friends or for your family or whatever. You know what the best thing about these holiday sets? If you're curious about a brand and you haven't tried the lip sleeping mask, you can buy the set and then you can try the lip sleeping mask and see if you like it. So I love holiday sets because they allow me to try things and then I can try these other products and see what I think. It's like little mini samples of their best products. So I will literally buy holiday sets for myself. You know that little perfume set that Sephora sells or even the mascara set that they sell? You better believe that I buy those and I try them on myself to see which mascara I want to buy in full size or which perfume I want to buy in full size. So I always recommend getting holiday sets for you, right? I mean, you can get them for other people too, but I'm telling you, gift sets are where it's at. All right, I need a sip of tea. I've been doing a lot of talking. One of the vendors that was at the event was Shark. And let me tell you, Shark has some really, really cool things coming out. They also have a lot of really cool tools just in general for your hair, for your skin. I'm actually doing a video video in a few weeks on some of their tools. I've been using them and I've been loving my results, so stay tuned for that. But what I want to talk about today is the Glossy 2-in-1 hair tool. It has this ionic technology and it reduces frizz. I obviously haven't used it today because I decided to wear my hair curly. Blowing out my hair is no joke. It's not super kinky, it's not super curly, but my hair is very fine. So whenever I blow it out straight, it gets very fuzzy very easily. This tool is one of the only things I've ever used that will not only smooth my curls and give me that blowout, but it will help eliminate a majority of the frizz. And that to me is a game changer. I can pretty much get almost a salon blowout with this tool. The shine and the defrizz, amazing. So I don't know if you've noticed that I'm wearing something a little bit different today. I'm actually wearing pajamas. They're not just any pajamas. They are Skims pajamas. I never on this green earth thought I would ever wear anything Skims. They are awesome. They're so comfortable. They're so soft. I don't really own pajamas. I own comfy pants and I own tank tops and sweatshirts. And that's basically what I wear around the house or what I wear to bed. I am a convert and I have already gone on the website to see what else I can buy. If the pajamas are this soft, what about the shirts, like the t-shirts? And then thinking about when I go to work, like wearing them under a blazer or with a cute pair of pants. So thanks YouTube for making me a Skims lover. I'm late to the party, I know. I need these in every color because they're my new favorite thing and I will be wearing them all throughout the fall and winter. At this point, I guess you could say we're in the lifestyle section of the video. So I'm just going to talk about a few more things. Hang on tight. We're almost there, almost through. The next of which I want to mention is this absolutely gorgeous bag from Madewell. This is the shopper's tote. As you can see, it's quite large and it is made from suede. I have never owned anything from Madewell and I'm so excited about this. This is a really beautiful bag. It comes in a variety of colors. I've been looking for a fall bag and this is immediately taking on that role. This spring and summer, I bought one of those cute little bags. It was like bright green. I called it my Fotega because it looked like a Bottega, but it was definitely a Fotega, but it's a small bag. And let me tell you, I would pack that thing to the gills. I'm not a small bag girly. I'm a tote girly, okay? Because I'm a commuter. I bring things with me. I have my hand sanitizer and my wallet and my makeup. And I'm so happy that I got this because I need a tote. I'm a tote girl. I also really love that it closes in two ways. At the top of the bag with the magnet, as you can see, and then also with the clasp. So then whenever you set it down, it doesn't just fall open and everything falls out of it. So it's kind of an unstructured bag with structure. Next up are these Samsung Galaxy Pro earbuds. These could not have come in a more perfect time because my AirPods are on the fritz and the battery life just isn't what it used to be. So these are also going into rotation. There's nothing worse than when you're in the middle of a hike, say you're going up and you're just puffing, or you're doing a workout and then your AirPods just die. It's like all your motivation dies along with it. I also researched and found that you can trade in your headphones to Samsung and they will give you a credit towards a new pair, which I think is a pretty cool incentive to get a new pair. Now these next two products are sort of related to makeup, but not in the way that you think, but I did want to mention them because I think they're really important. They're from California Gold and they're collagen peptides and probiotics. Now I take a probiotic every single day. Your gut health is super, super important. And as a makeup artist, skin is everything. Not just for me, but for my clients as well. And while all good skincare is essential, it really does start from the inside out. And you can use all the serums and moisturizers in the world, but if your gut health is off, you will see it in your skin. So skincare really is from the inside out, and these kind of supplements can really make a difference. Like I said, I'm really excited to try the collagen. I don't really use collagen, but a probiotic for me is an absolute must. Another thing that I received that I thought was really cool and is completely unrelated to my channel is this Stuff Waist Pack from REI. So it's basically a little fanny pack that it fits into this little pouch right here. So this is perfect for hikes, for concerts, for even every day if you just don't feel like carrying a purse around. And I also feel like this is a really good gift for the holidays. It's cute, but it's also practical. So I feel like it ticks both of those boxes. I wanted to show it because I thought it was cool and I'm really excited to use it. Okay, we're in the home stretch, I promise. There's a few more things I want to mention just because they're really great and they're really, really unique. One of the sponsors of the event was Lowe's and they were giving out these adorable Kobalt toolboxes. Now, the reason I wanted to mention this is because the first thing that I thought of is that this is such a cute alternative to a stocking or like doing stocking stuffers. you could do this instead and you could create your own little gift box. You have the little compartment up here, and then you have these two little drawers that you can put a myriad of things in. You could put cosmetics, you could put skincare, you could put a Labubu in here. I don't know, like it's just such a cute little vessel. So how cute of a gift would this be for anyone in your life, particularly any kids in your life? I'm already thinking about giving this to my niece because she loves makeup and she loves skincare. And like I said, it's a really cute alternative to a stocking. Another thing that I thought would be a really cute gift, I saw this and I've never seen anything like it, is this Monet's palette. So you can see that it's the water lilies, the Monet painting, but when you open it, there's a fragrance inside. How stunning is that? Like even just the presentation alone, I would buy this as a gift. So there's a story here about the master perfumer, and then there's a story about Claude Monet, the painter. And I love the juxtaposition of the two of them. So you have the stand right here, and then how gorgeous would this be on a vanity or on your dresser? So this fragrance in particular has red currant, fresh rhubarb. The heart is peony, which is one of my favorites. And there's Japanese magnolia in there as well. The base notes are a little bit of white musk and a little bit of vanilla. It smells like heaven and it smells expensive. I really wanted to keep this for myself, but there's someone really special in my life who I think would really, really love this. And like I said, the presentation is just so stunning. It would make such a beautiful gift, and I just wanted to share. The very last thing I'm going to talk about is something that's so cute, and it just caught my eye, and I wanted to share because I know we all have someone in our lives that could benefit from something like this. This is called Mini Hugs. This is a weighted stuffed animal. And the reason I wanted to show it to you is because it's my absolute favorite animal. I think the dog is definitely number one, but as far as any other animal in the world, the elephant. So sweet. It's so soft. It has a really nice weight to it. Like I said, it's a weighted stuffed animal. And the mission behind this brand is, it says it's a therapeutic weighted stuffed animal designed to provide comfort and relief from stress, anxiety, and depression. Mental health is health. You can also heat it up and you can cool it down. There's instructions in there on how to do that, but I love that it's sensory as well. I'm sure each and every one of us has someone, or maybe it's you, in their lives that could benefit from something like this. And it's just a really sweet and thoughtful gift. And I love elephants, so I wanted to feature it. Okay, so that's my haul from my first ever YouTube creator shopping event. It was such an amazing experience. I'm still honestly so shocked and blown away at how generous these gift bags were. I was not expecting that at all. I know this was a bit of a different video. It was a little bit of a longer video, but I hope this gave you some inspiration, whether you're a beauty lover or a fellow makeup artist, or even just looking for some holiday gift ideas. And if you are planning your own holiday gift shopping or kit refresh, check the description. I will link everything that I can find for you below. Let me know what your favorite was from this haul, and if there's anything you've been eyeing that you want me to test out even further, I'm happy to do a deeper review on anything that I talked about today. Don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe for more pro makeup content, makeup breakdowns, and tutorials from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a brand new video.